What's something people don't know about fixing their PSP? I'll show you how to bring your black screen PSP back from the dead. First, make sure your PSP's battery is charged and the charger is properly connected. Still no luck? Try holding the R bumper while powering on your PSP to access the recovery menu. From there, you can attempt a system restore. If the screen remains black but you hear sound, it might be a software issue that can be resolved through recovery. Try starting your PSP without the memory card to rule out any card issues. Still not working? You might be facing a hardware issue. The LCD, power switch, or even the motherboard might need replacing. If all else fails, contact Sony or a professional repair service. Don't give up on your PSP just yet.